Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comment. So if you know, remember right, about last week, we said that GBP JPY will drop and come to tap this low. This was the highlight level, which we still have it here. Our prediction was that we want the market to come to drop and come to this level of 210, right? As at that time we did the prediction, it was trading at around 211. So we were expecting to drop to level 210. But guess what? There was a gap opening that happened. So basically within that level, market has dropped, it opened lower. So our prediction was that market should drop for that. But guess what? Market was able to come down and open here, which is a gap opening. So now the market has given us that movement, right? Markets have been able to push up. So with this movement, we would expect market to push further up. Why are we going to be expecting that movement? Is that if you take a look at your GBP, GBP is going to be giving us a strong bullish move to the upside, especially on your GBP USD. We will be anticipating more movement to the upside on GBP USD. So if GBP USD will be giving us strong movement to the upside, that will definitely reflect on our GBP. So this is one of the reasons why on our GBP we will be anticipating for a bullish move. Now let's go down to the daily time frame and see the trend. So you can clearly see that on this our GBPJPY, we are in an uptrend move. So this is our first. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is our first high, this here is seen as the higher low, and here comes the higher high. This here is the higher low, and here comes the higher high. Markets have been able to push up, drop again to give us an higher low. Now we will be expecting GBPJPY to continue the movement to the upside till it is able to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we're expecting on our GBPJPY. So with this movement right here, GBPJPY to push up one more time. So we are currently trading at 212, which is 212. We are now going to be heading to a level of 213. Once we get to a level of 213, then we will be heading straight to the level of 214. So guys, a bullish move is still what we are expecting on our GBP JPY.